add a natural instinct in your language. It shows that you know the language pretty well and speak it fluently. In this video, I'm going to talk about 5 idioms which you must know how to use in real conversations. I'm Sanya, a communication coach, and I'm here to make English learning easier for you. I promise you will impress the pants of people once you start using these idioms. Number 1 on the list is under the weather, which means when someone is not feeling well. You can use it in a sentence like, I can't make it to the party tonight. I'm under the weather today. Number 2 is hold your horses, which means to ask someone to wait or to be patient. Use it in a sentence like, hold your horses. We need to double check the details before sending the email. Number 3 is cost you an arm and a leg, which means something very expensive and out of your budget. Here's how you can use it in a sentence. Buying a home in the heart of the city will cost you an arm and a leg. Number 4 is cup of tea, which means something preferable or something that a person enjoys. It can be used both in a positive and negative sense, such as traveling to new countries is my cup of tea. In negative context, use it like this. Going to noisy parties isn't my cup of tea. And lastly, number 5 on the list is the ball is in your court, which means it's your turn to take action or make a decision. For example, I've given my suggestions, so now the ball is in your court. So these are the 5 idioms that you can start using for now, and I'll come back with more fun and useful English learning videos for you. Hence, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.